Good news for European passport holders. Traveling to the UK is about to get a whole lot easier. From 2025, you can now easily apply for the UK ETA visa. This new system is designed to streamline the process, making it more convenient and efficient for travelers. Here's exactly how. Hi, I'm Bassi, and I love helping Europeans explore the world, especially my favorite destination, the UK. Whether you're planning a short trip or an extended stay, the UK has so much to offer. With the new electronic travel authorization (ETA) system, visiting the UK is now even easier for European travelers. No more lengthy paperwork or waiting in long lines at the embassy. The ETA simplifies everything. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the UK ETA, from what it is to how to apply. We'll cover the eligibility criteria, the application process, and what to expect once you arrive in the UK. Let's get started. Getting to experience the UK's rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes is a real treat. From the iconic landmarks of London to the serene countryside, there's something for everyone. And with the ETA, it's never been more straightforward. The approval process is quick, and you'll receive your authorization electronically, making it hassle-free. So, let's dive in and get you ready for your next British adventure. Whether it's your first time visiting or you're a seasoned traveler, the UK ETA will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. An ETA is like a digital travel pass. It allows you to enter the UK for tourism, business, or short trips. Think of it as a pre-approval to travel. You get it online before you even book your flight or ferry. It's electronically linked to your passport, so you don't need to carry extra documents. This makes traveling to the UK smoother and hassle-free. If you're a European passport holder traveling to the UK for a short stay, you'll likely need an ETA. This applies to tourists, business travelers, and those visiting family or friends. Even if you've been to the UK before without a visa, you'll need an ETA from 2025 onwards. It's always best to check the official UK government website for the most up-to-date information on who needs an ETA. This will ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey to the UK. Section 4. Applying for your UK ETA, a step-by-step guide. Applying for your UK ETA is simple, and can be done entirely online. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete your application smoothly. Here's a step-by-step guide to make the process even easier. Follow these instructions carefully to avoid any mistakes or delays in your application. 1. Visit the official UK government website. This is the only place where you can apply for your UK ETA, so make sure you are on the correct site. Make sure you're on the official UK government website for ETA applications. Look for the security padlock icon in the address bar to ensure the site is secure. 2. Fill out the application form. This form will ask for various details, so take your time to fill it out accurately. You'll need your passport, travel details, and some basic personal information. Make sure all the information matches your travel documents to avoid any issues. 3. Answer a few security questions. These questions are designed to ensure the safety and security of your travel. These are straightforward questions about your travel plans and background. Be honest and accurate in your responses to avoid any complications. 4. Pay the application fee. The fee is a necessary part of the application process and can be paid online. The fee is payable online using a credit or debit card. Make sure your card details are correct to avoid any payment issues. 5. Receive your ETA. You'll receive your ETA by email, usually within a few days. Keep an eye on your inbox for the confirmation email. Remember to print a copy of your ETA or save it to your phone. Having a digital or physical copy will be useful during your travel. Having it readily available will speed up your arrival process in the UK. Make sure to keep it in a safe place where you can easily access it when needed. Section 5. Avoiding common ETA application mistakes. To ensure a smooth application process, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Double-check your information. This means reviewing every detail you enter, from your name and date of birth to your passport number and travel dates. Even a small typo can cause significant delays or even a rejection of your application. Make sure all the details you enter on your application form are accurate and match your passport. Use a valid passport. This is crucial because any discrepancies can lead to complications. Always cross-check the information with your passport to ensure consistency. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in the UK. Apply in advance. This is a common requirement for many countries, and failing to meet it can result in denied entry. Plan ahead and renew your passport if necessary. Don't wait until the last minute to apply. Procrastination can lead to unnecessary stress and potential issues if there are any problems with your application. Give yourself plenty of time to gather all necessary documents and information. It's best to apply for your ETA a few weeks before your trip. This allows for any unforeseen delays or additional documentation that may be required. Being proactive can save you from last-minute panic. By being mindful of these tips, you can avoid unnecessary delays and ensure a stress-free travel experience. Proper preparation and attention to detail can make all the difference in your travel plans, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip. Section 6. Processing time and costs. The UK ETA processing time is usually quick, often taking only a few business days. However, it's always recommended to apply in advance just in case. The application fee is also very reasonable. Remember, having your ETA sorted well in advance gives you peace of mind and lets you focus on the fun part, planning your UK adventure. If you find this helpful, subscribe for more UK travel updates.